Welcome to Sendible. Let's take a quick tour of everything that the platform has to offer. When you first log in, you'll see the calendar straight away. This is your home base for visualizing and managing your content schedule. Click plus new post on the calendar to start composing a post, or hit the compose button in the top right. If you have already got posts scheduled, drag and drop them to move things around. And if you need a closer look at a specific day, click more to get a full breakdown of everything going out. You can switch between daily, weekly, and monthly views depending on how you like to plan. Use the 3 toggle buttons to switch on social media holidays, adjust the density of your calendar view, or export a snapshot of your content plan. Head to the filter option to narrow things down by profile, platform, user, and more. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find everything you need to stay organized: calendar, campaigns, queues, drafts, and tasks. Campaigns are a great way to group and tag your posts, whether that's by campaign name, content pillar, or any other structure that works for your workflow. It makes it much easier to track performance and stay organized at a glance. Queues let you set up reoccurring posting schedules so you can load up content in batches and let Sendible do the heavy lifting. And if anything needs sign off before it goes live, tasks keep everything in one place. Head over to Activity to engage with your audience. The priority inbox gives you an aggregated view of incoming activity from Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all in one place. For a real-time feed of comments, replies, and direct messages, switch over to social feeds. In the content section, you'll find RSS feeds for auto-posting from blogs or external sources, as well as content libraries where you can store assets to reuse later. The reports section is where you can build quick or fully customized reports to share with clients and stakeholders. To connect your social accounts, head to Profiles. You can view profiles that have already been added, see any profiles shared with you, and create profile lists to keep things grouped. Sendible supports Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, Google Business, YouTube, Threads, and Blue Sky. When you're ready to create content, click Compose. Select your profiles, then build out your post. Attach images and videos from Canva, Pexels, Giphy, Flickr, Google Drive, or Dropbox, or you can pull up previously used media. You can also drag and drop images directly into the Composer to speed things up. And if you need support with your caption, use AI Assist to generate or refine your copy right inside the Composer. Customize each post per platform. You can add hashtags, tags, and a first comment. Edit images with built-in tools to crop, resize, add filters, or text. For video, you can use our editor to trim clips, resize, add text, and select thumbnails. When everything looks good, use the preview to get an idea of how your post will appear before it goes live. Schedule for a specific date and time. Let the optimize feature find the best window for your audience. Set post to repeat as evergreen content or drop them into a queue. You can also send posts for approval with notes attached. And there you have it, a short overview to getting started with Sendible. Thank you for watching.